and welcome here to Timmy-Crypto. As you all know what we do on this channel, we talk about crypto and we'll bring to you latest and legit crypto paying update and also means of earning crypto for free. So today we'll be talking about a bot that will be giving us free RTC without spending a single dime. So without further ado, let's head over to our bot and see what we can get from the bot. So this is the bot. I've been using the bot for a while now and I've made some withdrawals, not first, not second, not also third time. So I cleared up the bot so that I can start afresh and show you people how to access the bot. All you just have to do is click on start. And so the bot will pop up a welcome message. And these are the welcome message. Like what said, welcome to ClickB bot. This bot lets you earn Litecoin and complete simple tasks. Visit site, earn by clicking link. Join channel, earn by joining chat. Join bot, earn by talking to bot. More. That's TJ Post View, Twitter, Rapid. You can also create your own ads with adverts, and so on and so forth. So, as for you, that is coming to this bot to earn. As you can see on the menu of this bot, we have visit site, join channel, join bot, more balance, refer, info, and adverts. So let's start from the beginning. So here, visit site. As you can see, there is no site for today. The site for today, I've already completed it. So as for you, when there is any ad, what you just have to do is to come back to this bot all the time because there are a lot of people on this bot. So you have to just keep on coming so that you can get advert that you can view. So that's the means of earning from this bot. As you can see here, we don't have a site to visit. Let's go back. You click on join channel. So there are some channel that you can join here. All you have to do is to click on join the channel. You click on join, then go back, then click on joined. As you can see, congratulations, you have earned 0.00002552. As you can see, the bot has rewarded me. I've been rewarded for joining the channel. So what you have to do again, you have to check again. Maybe there is still more bots and more channels to join. As you can see, this is another channel. Click on join, then joined. I've been rewarded again. Click on join again. As you can see, oh no, there are no tasks available at the moment. Please check back later. All you have to do is to go back, then click on join bot. As you can see, I'm having bot to join. You have to click on start, then the link to the bot will pop up. Then this link, then click on start. What you have to do is to long press the message that you get from the bot, then you forward it to the bot that you are earning from, then drop it. As you can see, I've rewarded. Then you click on it again. Maybe there is still more. You can see there is more to do. Then this link start, then long press forward back to the bot. So drop it then. You try again. Maybe there is still more. Sorry, start, click, you long press again to forward it, click on it, start, you long press again, you forward it. There are still more. So after this, I'll be doing one more. I'm sending this last message. I already joined this bot before. So let me just keep it up first. And so after this one, I don't know there are no tasks again. So that's it. And yeah, more. So on this small aspect, you can link your Twitter to the bot, so you're able to earn from Twitter, because they normally have Twitter adverts like this. And so what you just have to do is to, after you have already, like as for me, I've already linked my Twitter. So if it's for you, you have to link your Twitter first, because the bot will prompt you to first link your Twitter. So as you can see, this is my Twitter account. What you just have to, after you link your Twitter account, just follow the advertiser and come here, you click on done. So after some seconds, you'll be credited. So let's go back to the interface. I made a withdrawal from this, but that's quite long, so I'll be showing you the proof. So here is balance. As you can see, I've already clicked on it before. Here is balance now, and here is referral. So you can refer to this board. You will be earning 20% of your referral earnings from tax, and 5% if they create ads. So that's it. That's what you'll be earning when you have referral, and you know what that means when you have multiple referrals. So this is your referral link. All you have to do is to copy it and share it. And you copy it, share, anybody join will be entitled to 20% of their earnings. So that's it. And yeah, info. These are the information about the bot. So that's it. And yeah, it's advertise. If you would like to advertise with the bot, so maybe you want followers for your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Telegram channel, so you can just come up here, then you post your advert, and so you get your followers. Very simple. Channel member, group member, bot. And if you want clicks, for your ad, maybe your direct link ads and so on, so you can come up here and you get it. So easy. So that's for the bot. So what I'll be doing now is, let me show you the last. Firstly, I go to my second account and make some withdrawal. So I will be showing you the last withdrawal I get. So this is my second account. Yeah, I'm having some balance. Shall be withdrawing. And I click on withdraw. I'll be dropping the link to Faucet Pay if that doesn't have Faucet Pay account, so that you can create your Faucet Pay account. Then maximum, and click on confirm withdrawal. As you can see, successful. Your withdrawal is on the way. So, but their withdrawal normally take a little bit time, but they will surely pay. So that's it. Let me show you my last withdrawal. And I used my Bybit RTC address. So as you can see, on the 21 of this month, so I got this from same bot. So that's it. I think this is enough proof that the bot is still paying. So that's that for that. Please do well to like, subscribe, share, and also turn on the notification bell so that this video, so that anytime we post a video on this channel, you can get it as fast as possible. So, and try as much as possible to join the Telegram group so that you can get fast information before we drop it on YouTube. Thank you. Stay blessed.